Today, I'm going to tell you a 100% detox energy booster recipe. Now, this is something that we definitely need to try before going to bed. For this video, we put together close to 6 to 8 ingredients. Please do give it a try and leave your feedback on how this juice comes out to be. The first ingredient we're going to start with is muskmelon. We will then follow it up with some carrots, which are nicely chopped. We will then add some bananas. These are again sliced into small pieces. We will then follow it up with some oranges and a spoon of raisins. We will then follow it up with 2 teaspoons of sunflower seeds and then add some ice cubes to beat the summer heat. We will then add enough water to submerge all of these ingredients. Before we add more ingredients, we're going to nicely grind this. Now our 100% energy booster drink is ready to be had. Please don't forget to leave your feedback on how the juice is.